If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more guides and tips like this one. How to get SEC Network on YouTube TV. Welcome to today's video where we'll take you through the steps to access the SEC Network on YouTube TV. Whether you're a diehard college sports fan or just looking to catch your favorite games, we've got you covered. First, make sure you have a YouTube TV subscription. YouTube TV offers a wide range of channels, including sports networks like SEC Network. If you're not yet subscribed, you can sign up on the YouTube TV website or app. Once subscribed, you'll need to confirm that SEC Network is available in your area, as some channels may vary by location. You can check available channels by entering your zip code on YouTube TV's website when signing up, or by navigating to the live TV guide if you're already a subscriber. Now, launch the YouTube TV app on your device. This can be on a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or a streaming device like Roku, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Navigate to the Live tab to access the network guide. Here, you can scroll through the channel listings to find SEC Network. Alternatively, you can use the search function at the top of the screen. Simply type SEC Network into the search bar and select it when it appears in the results. Once you've found SEC Network, you can either tune into the current live broadcast or record upcoming games and programs by selecting the Add option, which acts like a DVR function. This selection allows you to watch your favorite content at your convenience. If you experience any issues, ensure your app is updated and that your internet connection is stable. For any further challenges, consult YouTube TV's Help Center or customer support for assistance. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy the SEC Network on YouTube TV. Thanks for watching.